Hello, my name's Mr. Richardson and I'm the school's Google Educator. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Classroom to check the homework that's been set and also the homework that maybe is due in that you've not done yet. Now this here should be recognizable. It's the Google Classroom homepage where it has all the classes that you're enrolled in. Over here you'll have a series of buttons. I've got 3, but you'll probably only have 2. The To Review button is for those who are set in homework. You should have the To Do button and the Calendar button. Now if you click on the To Do button, it takes you to a list of all the homework that you've been set, organised by due date. So for no due date, we can see this homework here. You'll also have homework that is due in this week, homework that is due in next week, and homework that is due in beyond next week. Now this will show you to start with all the homework you've been set, but if you want to just check something like your maths homework, you click on all classes and you click the classroom that you want to see. That will then only bring up the homework from that classroom. Now this is homework with the due dates in the future. It might be though that you've accidentally forgotten about some homework that was due in last week and I've been told to go and check it. If you click on Missing, this is homework that's been set and that hasn't been completed before the due date. Again, homework that's due in earlier this week, homework that was due in last week, or homework that was due in even longer ago. And once again, if you want to check a specific class, you click here and pick up a specific class. So that is how you can see homework that's due, homework that is late, and if you want to check you've done homework, if you click on the Done button here, it gives you a list again of all that you've done. Either homework with no due date that's complete, homework that you've completed this week, homework that you've completed last week, or even homework that you've done early. So if you've completed it, but it's not due until next week, you'll find it here. So if you want to re-access it, that's where you go. So that there is the To Do button. The other button, which shows you pretty much the same information, but in a different format, is the Calendar button. You can access it through this button here, or through the menu and the calendar there. It takes you to a week view, so Monday through to Sunday, and this is this week. This little blue dot is where we are right now. And you can see the homework that has been due in this week, either before today or also after today. So if you wanted, you can have a look for Friday, see what homework is due. If you click on it, it will take you to that homework where you can complete it. This will also though show you homework that has already been completed as well. And again, you can organise by class if you want. So that there is how you can use Google Classroom to easily look at the homework that you have to make sure that it's never late again. I hope this has been useful and I wish you all the best for the rest of the year. Take care.